Introducing our next generation PXI and PXI Express editions to our 2-wire serial interface fault insertion switching family. They are designed primarily for hardware-in-the-loop verification of the latest high-bandwidth multi-GBASE-T1 Automotive Ethernet networking components, such as Advanced Driver Assistance Systems or ADAS controllers, with networking data speeds currently up to 10 gigabits per second. The new modules enable system test engineers to automatically introduce a range of connectivity faults onto a vehicle's single-pair Ethernet cables and verify that real-time connected controllers respond safely and predictably. They support 4 or 8 channels of 2-wire serial connections with controlled transmission line impedance. Any wire can be set as an open circuit, and shorts can be applied across wire pairs. Fault connections can also be made to one of 4 external signals via 2 fault buses, typically simulating connections to supply voltage or ground and, with the addition of external components, resistive faults. The signal channels utilise the latest microelectromechanical system, or MEMS, switching technology and exhibit excellent and repeatable RF characteristics beyond 6 GHz, with low insertion loss. In addition, MEMS devices have a long operational life of over 3 billion operations and benefit from very fast operating times, enabling increased test system throughput. The modules are equipped with a high-density front panel connector, and to facilitate test system interfacing, a breakout assembly must be utilised to access the individual differential pairs and fault bus connections. Our standard breakout is fitted with Rosenberger H-MTD series for the channel connections, and other interfaces can be supported on request. Compact and high performance, these new modules integrate seamlessly into automotive hill simulation systems, giving engineers flexibility, scalability, and long-term support. For more information, please visit pickeringtest.com/ADAS.